Have you ever tried to run a command in your terminal only to be met with an error message that leaves you scratching your head? It can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're trying to get work done. If that's you, stick around because today we're solving a common issue with the Java Home environment variable. I totally understand how annoying it is when you think everything is set up correctly, only to be stopped by an error. You're not alone in this. Many users face similar issues when configuring their Java environment. Let's dive into the specific situation at hand. One user recently reported that when they tried to run the Gradle command, they received an error stating that Java Home is set to an invalid directory. They were using Ubuntu 16.04 and had already installed Gradle, but this error was holding them back. Sound familiar? Let's work through this together. So what does this error mean? Essentially, it indicates that the Java Home environment variable is pointing to a directory that doesn't exist or is incorrect. This can happen if Java was installed in a different location or if the path was set incorrectly. Let's break it down step by step. And don't go anywhere. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To resolve the issue with the Java Home variable, the user should first check the current Java Home setting. This can be done by opening the terminal and typing the command to display the environment variable. Next, the user needs to ensure that Java Home points to the correct Java installation directory. In this case, it should not include the jre/bin/java part. The user should edit the environment file to correct this. After making the changes, the user should save the file and then reload the environment variables. This can be done by either restarting the terminal or using a specific command. Finally, the user should verify that the changes have taken effect by checking the Java Home variable again and then running the Gradle version command to ensure it works without errors. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Java was released in 1995? It has come a long way since then, but even seasoned developers can run into configuration issues like this one. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution comes from a user who faced a similar issue. They used the command whereisjava to locate their Java installation. This led them to the correct path for Java. They then updated their .bashrc file to set the Java Home variable accordingly. For example, they set Java Home to usr/lib jvm/java-dav and openjdk amd64 and updated the path. This resolved their problem. If you have a different Java installation, like one downloaded from Oracle, you should set Java Home to that location. For example, if your Java is in /home user/sdkmans-candidate java/current, you would set it like this. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative solution suggests checking the Java Home setting in your environment file. The user points out a mismatch between the Java Home path and the error message. They recommend ensuring that Java Home points to the correct directory where Java is installed. Additionally, they advise updating your path to include the bin directory of Java Home. The user also mentions that they typically install Oracle JDK or JRE in a separate directory, like /usr local/jk 1.80, which can help avoid such issues. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution suggests checking your Java installation folder. For example, you might look in /uslib/jvm/12 Oracle. Then open the terminal and edit the environment file using sudo nano/etc environment. Add the line Java Home equals /uslib jvm/java12 Oracle. Here's the tip I promised. Always double-check your environment variables after installation. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Java Home error and get back to using Gradle without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips. And remember, keeping your environment variables in check is key to smooth sailing in your development journey.